Guess it'd be nice if I could touch your body. I know not everybody's got a body like you, but I gotta think twice before I give my heart away. And I know all the games to play them too. Oh, but I need some time off that emotion before you pick my heart up off the floor. And when that love comes down without devotion, well, it takes a strong man, baby, but I'll push through the door. I gotta have faith, I gotta have faith, I gotta have faith. Baby, I know you're asking me to stay, so please don't go away. Singing me blues. Maybe you mean every word you say. Can't help but think of yesterday, that brother who tied me down to the lover who before this river becomes an ocean. Before you throw my heart back on the floor. Oh, and I reconsider the foolish notion, but it takes a strong man, baby, but I'll show you through the door. I gotta have faith, I gotta have faith, I gotta have faith.
I felt every word you sang to me then, literally. I was just like, we had a moment, and I think everybody felt it, yeah? Yeah? Did everybody feel the chemistry? Yeah, I think I feel it. Love what you've done with that song, got such a luscious voice. Well done. And yeah.
Oh, I've got to say, I am really liking this more stripped back vibe you've had going on for like the past 2 weeks, I think. It really shows off how stunning your vocals are, and it really emphasises the emotion that you put into your songs. And I think this is now one of my favourites of yours. It's right up there because of how simple it was and how stripped back and how you could really hear everything in that song. I mean, your vocals were absolutely gorgeous. It was just a beautiful performance. Well done.
Thanks, Anya.
When Joey said we were doing this song, like, all I saw was like George Michael in denim doing the dance, and I thought, please don't do that, please don't do that. But I love this, I love this version. This is another one of these songs that I would have on my playlist, something completely revamped. You've put your own sort of twist on it, and it shows off like this acoustic alternative vibe that you've got going on. Shows off this vulnerability in your voice, and that's really endearing and it's really captivating to watch. And I think that you are really going in the right direction with the way that you're picking the songs, the way you're performing them, the way that you're moving your voice with them and changing them up to suit you. I thought, I got to agree with Anya, this was last week and this week, my favourite performances of yours. You're definitely sort of like on the right track, and we're getting to see Jack now, and that's brilliant. Fabulous. Honestly, well done. Thanks,
Jack, honestly, when this song was mentioned, it could have been one of them songs that went completely wrong. It had the potential to go completely wrong. And you know, you did have the beginning tonight. I was thinking in the back of my head and in there, oh my God, what if this note doesn't go as it needs to go now? Honestly, but you absolutely smashed it. And I want to talk about something a little bit more important, I think, because after seeing that, like, I want to say, like, you know, it is taking a while for you to really, really find your light. And I want to bring up why that is, because this is something that, I mean, without something, but it reminds me a little bit of Kelly, all right? Because Kelly kind of, if you don't mind me saying, struggled to find her belief in herself for a while, and she still does. You know, and she always has these voices telling her, you know, I'm not good enough, I'm not good enough. And that's exactly what you have, and I want people to know that, because you truly are fighting a battle with this, you know. Every week, you know, in your head, you're probably feeling like, I need to give up, I gotta stop now. That's kind of what's coming across when you come up and see me. And, you know, it's a good job you're not, because everything we're starting to see now, especially the last 2 weeks, is really you start to shine as a very unique, as a very original, as a very out there. I would plop you straight into the charts now with what you're doing the last 2 weeks. That's exactly what you're offering to the table now, you know, and you are still finding your voice and you are still believing, but my God, Bat, you have come so far already. It only takes somebody to say, do you know what? Use my hand, I'm going to pull you through it, and you're going to push yourself, and you're going to get better and better, and you're going to become the person you are. And that's exactly what's happening. Honestly, but I really do believe you shone the day then. And in all honesty, I'll say again, but my favourite performance of this category so far. I was so just driven by it, and I was watching and I was thinking, he's pulled it out of the bag again. And this is all you, Bat. It's not me, this is you. This is your voice shining through, and you know, who would take a George Michael song and do that? Generally, you know, it's the most cheesiest song in the world, and you made it feel emotional and connected. Honestly, Bat, whatever you're doing, keep doing, because this is absolutely another level for me. Well done. Well done.